I'm going to be challenging myself to 50 demos in 50 days. And so for today's first demo, I'm going to walk through one where we've got a multi-repository workflow, because that's kind of tricky. And then also because it's Fable Day, it's also a demo of integrating and leveraging the new Claude Fable model with Cyrus. So I've been holding this large scope of work for a couple of weeks in the backlog. We were a little too timid and had other priorities than assigning this. So with Fable today, I got thinking, okay, this is a large scope of work, perfect to actually throw at the model. Um, so what I'm just noticing now is that we've just hit the third open pull request attached to this ticket from the Claude Fable run, and that fits with the three different pull requests, or the three different repositories that are like attached here. And so that's a really good sign. And from the beginning, I was like thinking this is a really good sign of how Fable approached the recon step of mapping out all the points of integration of this, a certain product assumption about single GitHub org, and now we were moving to multi GitHub org assumption, and so it's a big product change across the product stack. So it had to do all this recon, establish its plans and investigations. It was really interesting watching it build out these interstitial or uh, periodic summaries while it's like waiting. And I noticed that it was nice to get these large summaries, kind of like this one here, along the way, so that I could kind of see as it was going along what the checkpoints were, and that felt like a really new model behavior. And yeah, I mean, literally it just finished third and final uh third and final pull request. And so I'm going to be going in and checking out that code. But yeah, things you might have learned that you didn't know are that you can assign like multiple repositories at the same time, and also uh, that you can assign. So actually, I used the Fable tag here because that's not the default model that you don't want to use it every time because it's an expensive model. And so yeah, you just assign the label and that will cause Fable to be selected. And then yeah, per Linear's new integrated review system, you can just go and read your Claude code session directly right next to your, this is just Claude code. Yeah. You can read your Claude code session directly next to your, your pull request review, and some other cool stuff there that they've added in where you can highlight the lines and then feedback directly and do all of that directly within Linear. So um, I'm really enjoying the product workflow, and yeah, see you another day for another demo.